G'day guys, here's one all used chasing your work slash toy hauler. Built tough for the off-road use, this 6 metre by 2.4 metre trailer is very versatile and has a 4.5 tonne rating and a few added extras, making this trailer suitable for the adventurous type but still keeping it very practical for everyday work use. Starting at the front, it features a complete 4.5 tonne coupling kit, safety chains, ratchet trailer handbrake, the 1 tonne jack stand and of course the electric breakaway kit. Also up front we run the 170 litre Drawbar Toolbox with a pinch weld sealed to keep your straps and gear out of the weather. This customer has opted for the heavy duty removable headboard and ladder racks. To pair that, he's also went with 250mm drop sides, and to top it all off, he's gone with a stainless steel capping. This helps protect the paintwork from any scratches when you're unloading or loading it. This deck measures 6 metres by 2.4 and is constructed with fully welded 3mm checker plate, supported by RHS cross members for maximum strength and durability. A really cool feature about this trailer is his 24 tie-down points that are bolt-on and easily removable, and of course up the back he's running the integrated ramp storage. These features allow him to load up easily, secure his load and transport in confidence. In short, this is a serious heavy-duty trailer designed to handle the demanding off-road conditions while keeping valuable equipment protected and secure. The ideal solution for anyone needing reliable transport for motorsport or machinery.